Are you looking for a workout to tone your six-pack? Well, in this video, we're gonna be doing just that, so stay tuned. Hey, before we get into today's workout, make sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you get notified every single time I post a new workout video or diet tip. Hey, my name is Jenny J. I'm an online fitness and weight loss coach with over a decade of experience helping people just like you get fit, lose weight, and change their lives through my online workouts and programs. And in this video, we're gonna be sculpting your six-pack. It's going to be a tough workout, so get ready. But I do want to have and set out a disclaimer for you is that abs are made in the kitchen. So no matter how many crunches you do, no matter how many ab workouts you do, you will not be able to see visible results unless you change your nutrition. So make sure to download my free sample diet plan on how to start eating healthy. I'm gonna give you a free breakfast, lunch, dinner, and dessert recipe so that you can see those abs shine after this workout. So let's get to it. Today's workout is going to be 5 exercises, 45 seconds on the clock, 15 seconds of a rest and transition for a total of 2 rounds. You are going to feel the burn on this one, so please take as many breaks as you need and continue to do this workout over and over again until you build that strength to be able to maintain the entire 10 minutes. So keep going, consistency is key, so let's get to it. For the bear to plank walk-ins, start with your shoulders stacked on top of your wrists. Walk one knee in at a time, jump the knees in, and make sure that the knees are about 1 inch away from the mat. Keep your back nice and flat the entire time. For the double crunches, keep your hands behind your head, keep the elbows nice and wide. You're gonna tuck the knees into the chest as you try to tap your elbows to your knees. Feel free to go nice and slow with this and keep your back nice and flat on the floor. For the mountain climbers, stack the shoulders on top of wrists. Stay in a plank position as you drive your knees into the chest. Try to keep those hips from piking up. Keep the core nice and tight the entire time. If you need an option, drop down to those knees and come right back up. For your tabletop crunches, stack the knees right on top of the hips, shins parallel to the floor. Keep the hands behind the head, elbows wide, and lift your shoulder blades off the floor by using your abs to lift up and down. Try to keep your chin off of your chest and don't pull on the neck, but rather use your hands as a pillow. Last move is a low plank hold. Make sure that your forearms are parallel on the floor, stacking the shoulders on top of the elbows, and keep a nice straight line from head to heels. Tuck that pelvis under, squeeze the glutes, and keep that core nice and tight. If you need an option, drop down to your knees. you felt the burn on that one. If you did, please like this video and comment below. Let me know which exercise was your favorite. Now, if you want more workouts from me, feel free to check out my on-demand program. You can get a 7-day free trial to all of my online classes, such as cardio, toning, HIIT, dance, yoga, and so much more. And if you want to continue your sweat on, feel free to check out this video here. And as always, I will see you next time.